Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Panasonic TV with a model number TC-either 43, 49, 55, or 65 EX600. I'll put those model numbers in the description. And you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now there's two ways to do this, either via the setup menu or the physical buttons. I'll show you both of them. There's two reasons you might want to do this. The first is troubleshooting, if your TV's not working or not responding, not connecting, etc. Or if you're just trying to get your TV back to the way it was when it came out of the box so you can set it up new. This will do both of those things. Now, if you've got access to the setup menu, you just need to hit menu on the remote. And then from that menu, you're just going to select setup, and then select system, and then select factory default, and then confirm it with a yes. Simple as that. Now, if you need to do it via the physical buttons, we can do that pretty simply. We just need to find the volume down button on the TV and the menu button on the controller, which is just below the power button on the left side. And we need to simultaneously press those two buttons, volume down on the TV and menu button on the controller, for at least 5 seconds. After those more than 5 seconds, we can just go ahead and pull the plug on the TV, then release the buttons. Wait a few seconds, plug the TV back in, turn it back on, and it will automatically turn on into its factory default state.